Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I decided to give you guys a video of how I install this Fox logs. The last video was me doing it on myself, and I figured that doing it on my clients and making a video of it would be much easier. So this is my client and this is me installing the locks on her, and you guys are gonna see I already did the mini braids. Obviously, I think everyone can do a mini braid, and this is me installing the front part of the locks, and you just need to pull through and then pull the roots. It just depends. My client has really long hair, but I always make sure that I'm hiding the hair, and then I make sure that I have like equal parts, and then I get like the extension. Hope you guys know I already showed the extensions that I use for the wrapping in the first video. I use vivetress, that's the same one that I use on myself, and my client is using butterfly locks. And this is how I wrap all the way till there's no natural hair showing, and you're gonna see how I do that all the way to the end. It's just like when you're wrapping thread. Those are no the hairstyle like rubber in Nigeria, that's what I call it anyways. So it's just like literally doing that all the way till you cover the entire natural hair and then get to the locks, and then you reduce your and yeah, this is me doing another one. Sorry, I skipped that one, I don't know why. Anyways, pull through and yeah, insert underneath the roots, pull the other side through, and then you have this three parts of hair, if you get me, and then you wrap. Basically, that's it. Like, it's so easy, but people keep asking me, how do you do the locks? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a video for you guys since I got a client, and that's it. I'm still gonna show you guys like how I end it, because I noticed that I didn't do so much because I've not got room for my camera here, but I did show you guys how I did the back. So stay tuned and please watch all the way till the end. You're obviously gonna learn how to do it if you watch this video completely, as it's self-explanatory. I'm also gonna post another video of taking it down because I feel like that's the most difficult part. It's easy to install, but to take them down, I'm sure in my video you guys had seen that I did cut my own hair, and I don't want you guys cutting your own hair taking this down. And I always tell my clients, you guys need to watch videos to if you're gonna have them taken down yourself. But apparently you guys are gonna see in the next video anyways, but this is about installing the locks. Right, so yeah, sorry for my camera angle, but this is how I get the wraps done. There are a couple of ways, but I feel like you don't need to insert. Some people insert this for this vivetress in the roots and then start to on wrap, but I don't think I need to because mine doesn't unravel. If you know that you don't have a good grip and the roots, please, you can do it that way, just the way we pull the hair. You can also insert this fluffy extensions there and then start to wrap. That would give you like a stronger grip, but because I do this a lot, I mean, I can do this with my eyes closed. Okay, so we are at the back now, and I think you guys can see this clearly. Pulling, this is me pulling through and taking hair by the tip. Close off your yeah, you get what I'm saying. Sorry guys. Anyways, I feel like the video is self-explanatory, but of course I still got to kind of finish my voiceover. And this is me just wrapping all the way to the root. Now I feel like I should have fastened it, but I'm also thinking like, I'm sure you guys want to really see. I mean, if you're watching this, you're trying to learn, and I don't want to like fasten the whole process, because this is where I actually do show really well what I'm doing. So you're just gonna do this all the way. I think my clientele was too long that I had to take extra um extensions. So you can do that if you happen to have a client with long hair like mine. You can always improvise, you guys. So I think something happened with my camera and I lost that clip. You guys, this vlog has been in my gallery for so long. I just had to put it out now. I'm sorry it's not perfect, but I hope you guys learn a thing or two on how to install locs. So yeah, I did add extra extensions and you saw me, trying to add. There's nothing like where the other one finishes. I just continue from there and then I wrap all the way. So this is me. This is the same thing that I repeat all the way to the end of this hair, guys. Like, if you do watch how I do it, you're gonna see. And of course, I'm open to any questions in the comments or in my DMs. My DMs are open on my social media. I've got TikTok, Instagram. It's Lifestyle of Mimi. On TikTok, it's Mimi's Parlor. And yeah, that's it. Simple. And this is how we do. This is how we do it. So guys, this is what the finished look looks like. This is the fox look. So neat, like the style is given, and I've done this over and over. I think this style and braids are like my most requested style so far in 2024. And yeah, this is how I get this gorgeous look done. And yeah, there you have it, fox locks in all its glory. I'm obsessed with it. The girls are obsessed with it. And at this point, I think we all love it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next vlog. And yeah, love you guys again. Bye. Mwah.